This crockpot butter chicken is a rich and flavourful curry with tender chicken cooked in a creamy tomato butter sauce. We're going to let the slow cooker do most of the work, with the prep taking about 15 minutes. What's not to love? Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, you guys know that I love my slow cooker and I love a good curry as well. So this slow cooker curry is perfect for those winter months. It's always on recipe rotation. So let's get cooking. Using the searing function on your slow cooker, preheat to a high heat. Now add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the butter's melted, add in a large diced onion and 700 grams, which is about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that's been diced. We're going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until the onions are softened and the chicken is sealed. Now, this slow cooker's got a searing function, so I can do the frying part straight in the slow cooker. If your slow cooker doesn't have a searing function, then don't worry, you can do this in the frying pan, all of those initial stages, and then transfer to the slow cooker later. Now add in 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon each of paprika and cinnamon, $240ml, which is about a cup of chicken stock, two 400ml or 14-ounce tins of finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste in the US, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 6 cardamom pods. I like to sew them together so that you can fish them out easily later. Now stir all that together and bring to a simmer. Okay, now we're going to place a lid on that and we're going to cook it for 4 to 5 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. Now remove the cardamom and we're going to stir in 120ml, which is about half a cup of double or heavy cream. Allow that to heat through for a minute. And now we're ready to serve. I love to serve this over some fluffy boiled rice, sprinkled with some fresh coriander and some sliced red onion. I also like to serve with some toasted naan bread for dipping. This butter chicken was actually the first recipe I cooked in this slow cooker when I bought it quite a few years ago now. Now, if you, like me, love an easy prep slow cooker meal, then check out my slow cooker pork and beef chili here, or my slow cooker chicken casserole here. See you over there.